When something happens, we often have two choices: to react or to respond. But what is the difference? And why does it matter? Reacting is automatic. It is fast and usually emotional. Imagine someone says something rude to you. If you react, you might immediately say something harsh back or get angry. This is your natural instinct. Reacting is driven by feelings in the moment without thinking much. Responding is different. It takes time. When you respond, you pause and think before you act. You control your emotions instead of letting them control you. You choose the best way to handle the situation. Why is this important? Because reacting can cause problems. It might hurt your relationships or make situations worse. But responding helps you stay calm and make better decisions. How can you move from reacting to responding? Here are some easy steps. First, notice your feelings. When you start feeling upset, take a deep breath. This small pause helps you slow down. Second, ask yourself what you want to achieve. Do you want to solve the problem? Do you want to stay calm? Remember your goal. Third, think about your options. What can you say or do that will help, not hurt? Finally, choose your words and actions carefully. Speak with kindness and calmness even if you feel angry. Practicing this takes time. At first, it might be hard to stop reacting immediately, but every time you pause and respond, you get better at emotional control. Remember, mastering emotional control does not mean ignoring your feelings. It means understanding them and deciding the best way to express them. When you respond instead of react, you show strength. You build better relationships. You create peace for yourself and others. Start today. The next time you feel triggered, pause. Breathe. Choose to respond, not react. This simple change can improve your life in many ways.